Contact resistance measurement is one of the basic tests for assessment of circuit breaker condition along with timing measurement. Testing with high current micrometers used to involve heavy and long test leads. Does it have to be like that? We made it possible to place the micrometer with necessary leads and accessories in one small plastic case. Meet RMO-H, first handheld micrometer which generates a regulated DC current up to 300 amps. The test current is generated in an automatically regulated test ramp and it is stable during the measurement. Typical applications involve testing of medium and high voltage circuit breakers and disconnecting switches, high current busbar joints, cable splices, welding joints, etc. Contact resistance measurement has never been more simple. One operator is sufficient to perform the test since the measurement is done directly on the braking chamber terminals. There is also no need to use long and heavy test leads. The test is performed with only one click. Results obtained with the RMO-H device are automatically saved in the internal memory of the device. RMO-H is provided with different types of test leads and clamps designed for different testing applications. The cables with Kelvin probes with trigger button are specially designed for medium voltage circuit breaker testing. Protective transport case, ground cable and battery charger, as well as the advanced DV-Win application software system and Bluetooth communication are included in the standard price.